Now Foods, elderberry liquid for kids, 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliters. Product overview description. Immune support tastes great, sugar-free, low-calorie seasoned wellness with zinc and astragalus non-GMO, a dietary supplement, vegetarian, vegan botanicals, herbs, family owned since 1968, GMP quality assured. Now elderberry liquid for kids combines elderberry concentrate with zinc and astragalus to promote seasonal wellness. Elderberry has been used traditionally to maintain health and well-being. Astragalus is an herbal ingredient that has been included to support a healthy immune system response to seasonal challenges. Zinc has been added to promote normal immune system function. Suggested use. Shake well before using. For children, age 4 and up, and adults, take 2 teaspoons, 10 milliliters, 1 to 3 times daily. Other ingredients. Deionized water, xylitol, vegetable glycerin, citric acid and potassium sorbate, as preservative. Not manufactured with wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish or shellfish ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution, do not exceed recommended dosage. Keep out of reach of children. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Contains xylitol, which is harmful to pets. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.